Hello everyone, this is Professor Lessert. I wanted to take a few minutes to talk a little about assignment 2 and what I would expect from it. Now that we have finished the first assignment, several of you received feedback when I stated the 3 process improvement questions. This slide here describes the relationship between the DMAIC problem-solving methodology and the 3 questions of process improvement. As you see, the DMAIC problem-solving methodology blocks are lined up against the corresponding questions to show their respective relationship or significance. This slide here represents the first assignment. The assignment called for describing the process you selected and the metrics to be used. Going into the second assignment, as you understand your processes in more detail, it will become important to develop a finer scope statement of your project. As a matter of fact, your opening statement for assignment 2, which is waste analysis, needs to contain your finalized scope statement for your project. And here's an example where for assignment 1 you describe and measure what we know about the process, identify what feels wrong and some of the symptoms, and the finalized scope statement is increase or decrease some outcome metric from some value to a better value within some sort of time frame. The process you selected requires some improvement. You might see some symptoms of inefficiencies and you want to address them. The objective of this assignment is to identify probable causes of those symptoms. There are many tools that can be used to arrive at root cause. The output of this assignment is the identification and documentation of waste seen in your process. This slide delineates the waste categories you will see in the template provided. For each waste category, you will need to identify at least 3 issues pertaining to that particular waste category. Some things to look for are points of failure, potential confusion, duplication, or bottlenecks. This slide shows an example of a process which contains 5 steps, where the cycle time is to be decreased by some value. Let's further assume that we find waste, for example overproduction, wait time, in step 2 and step 3. Assignment 3 will be to run a Kaizen event or what is known as a PDSA cycle, where you should show as an example that running step 2 and step 3 in parallel could reduce cycle time by some factor. This is an example of a process improvement strategy that is called parallelism or resequencing. The point I want to make here is for you to think through your assignment 1 and 2 in anticipation of assignment 3. Well, I want to wish you good luck for your second assignment. And if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact me via email. Thank you.